Welcome to part 2. We're starting off with my lovely husband bringing in the bookshelves we got from IKEA. These are great shelves for all my supplies for my Etsy shop. I'm organizing my bubble mailers. These are really cute. They got daisies on them. Kind of goes with my store theme. I'm also putting in my shipping envelopes and little cards that go with my orders and the little baggies I put all my stickers in. All the items I already made will be going on this shelf, like my crocheted items and my tote bags. Once seeing the bookshelf next to the other shelves, it made me want to put my paper on the bookshelf instead. That's where all my sticker paper and my printer paper go, and I just want it in one separate space. I ended up doing a little rearranging of everything, and I think I really like this version better. My crochet hooks that I make will be going on this shelf as well. Here's a little quick tour of everything I have on these shelves. It's my Etsy station. We repurposed a cube shelf to store all my yarn, and it holds a pretty good amount. Here I'm rearranging the yarn by colors, and I didn't realize how much yarn I actually had until I started organizing them. On this one, I'm organizing all my clay and my charms that I use to make my crochet hooks. And this next shelf has all of my sewing supplies. This is my favorite part of organizing all of my fabric. All the smaller pieces of fabric that I have for smaller projects are folded in the drawer on the bottom of this shelf. I really like these bookshelves because they have an option to store things like the fabric that I really don't want to show. This is how it's looking. I'm really satisfied with how they turned out. This is where all of my crochet tools and art supplies go. All the upper empty spaces will be holding all of my items that I've collected and gathered throughout my years, like Pokemon, my beloved Kirby, and Polly Pocket, and you're gonna see I'm kinda obsessed with Kirby. The pegboard behind the door will be holding all of my backpacks. I wish I thought about this in my old room, but I'm glad that I'm using it now. I'm finally adding my 2 sewing machines. my normal sewing machine and my serger. This is how the two pegboards are looking. One has my sewing items and the other one just has miscellaneous items. This is my desk area, and I told you I am kind of obsessed with Kirby. As you can see, my Kirby keycaps and my Kirby keyboard mat and my little Kirby toys. Okay, so this is the end of my 2-part room makeover. I am just so blessed to have this bigger space and a place where I could create more and also film videos in here. I'm also very thankful for my husband. I couldn't do all of this without him. But yep, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and stay excellent.